Guys, welcome to Ctmoney. Today I'll be talking about Sogni AI. What is Sogni AI? Sogni AI is one of the best AI that allows you to create images, not just images. It allows you to create thumbnail. So this thumbnail, you're creating it for free of charge. And currently they are having their testnet phase. They are in that testnet phase. The more you create, the more you earn, and the more you position yourself for huge reward. So the reward you're going to be getting from Sogni AI is going to be huge one, guys. So you don't have to play with this particular AI. As a content creator, as anybody, as airdrop hunter, you need Sogni AI. If you are an airdrop hunter, you're going to be needing Sogni AI to earn a lot of reward, because I don't see anybody getting minimum of $100 if you participate very well with Sogni AI. Currently, they are in their testnet phase. The more you create, the more reward you get. As a content creator that want to be creating thumbnails, this Sogni AI is one of the best. The kind of quality it generates is superb. I've not seen any other AI doing this thing, and it's currently in their testnet phase. Everything you do is free of charge. Everything you do is free of charge. The only thing you'll be needing is their testnet token, which is called Sogni a testnet token. With Sogni testnet token, you can create anything. So when you create, they're going to be charging you from the testnet token. And for you to get started with it, when you sign up, make sure you use my promo code, which is Ctmoney, to get started, so that you'll be given 2,000 Sogni testnet Sogni token to get started. And whenever you create content, you are going to be charged from it. But it's absolutely free, guys. Make sure you don't miss this, guys. You're not just going to be working for yourself with Sogni AI, creating the kind of thumbnail or images that you want for your content or for whatever. You're also going to be getting reward, positioning yourself for more reward when the TGE happens. So make sure you don't miss this, guys. The link will be in the description of this video for you to get started, and it's very simple. It's very simple, guys. What I love about this Sogni AI is that the quality of images, the quality of thumbnail that it generates is superb. No other AI, I've not seen any other AI that can generate this high quality, and currently it's in their testnet phase. Make sure you don't miss it, guys. Everything you'll be needing to get started will be in the description of this video, and make sure you give this video a like. Join my WhatsApp community so that whenever information comes, even before I make videos about them, you'll be the first to get it. Sometimes some information I've shared, I've not made videos about it, so make sure you join so that you'll be the first to get all these updates. So guys, let me go over to my screen and show you the step-by-step process of generating images and getting started. So if you click on the link, which I'll be leaving in the description of this video, it will bring you to their website, and you can also copy the link to your Mrs. browser, guys. You can also copy it. So the first page you see is this page, which you have to create a username, input your email, then put in my referral code. My referral code is Ctmoney. Ctmoney. So that's my referral code. Make sure you use it, guys. Once you use it, you'll be getting 2,000 Sogni token. That's their testnet token to participate. Then after you've done that, just click on continue. They will send you an email. Make sure you verify the email, and that's all. So once you verify the email, you're going to get this. You're going to get this message. So they are going to show you this message. Once they send you the email and you click on the email, it will bring you to this page that will say you have been verified. Next step. So the next step is for you to click on this claim Discord role. It's going to take you to Discord. Then you'll be able to follow the steps there and claim the role. That's all you need. Then this is how the website looks like when you log in. So let me just go ahead and log into my account. So once you log into your account, this is your wallet. You can see I'm on under wallet section. You see the amount of Sogni token that I have. I've been using a lot. I've been using a lot to create a lot of things. So you can see the more you create, the more you'll be ranked for the reward, and you're creating for free. The testnet token you're using is for free. It's for free, guys. And every day, once you come to this reward section here, every day come to reward section, make sure you claim this 200 Sogni token every day. That is daily boost. Make sure you're doing that, and make sure you participate on this, guys. Once you participate on this very well, you're going to be getting a very good reward. Once the mainnet goes live, you'll be able to get your token here, and you can transfer it. You can transfer it, you can send it to someone, you can receive it, you can transfer it to exchange where you can sell it. Okay, how do you now create using this website? How do you create? So what you do, you see this section that says create. Once you click on it, you click on this create, then it will bring you to this place. You can see Sogni Web Beta. So just tap on this icon here, then you see where you can create things. You see here is showing prompt. You can input your own prompt, guys. You can input your own prompt, everything you want. So if you want it to generate only one image, you can switch to 1. If you want it to generate 4, you put it on 4. You see, if for 1, you see you'll be paying 0.90 T Sogni token. Then for 4, you'll be paying 3.61 T Sogni token. So it's all free. Then you can go around and play with all these ones. You can see style. You can choose the style that you want. If you want default, if you can leave it. If you want any style that you want, art studio. So any kind of comic, any kind of style that you want, you can go ahead and choose it, guys. You can go ahead and choose it. Then here the steps, if you want to increase it to 5 steps or to 1 steps, just anything that you want. Then after that, just click on this image. For you to create, just click on this image. Okay, let me just use the default prompt here. Let me just click on this image here. Start. So it's starting. So you just wait for it to click to create the image for you. So it's now on queue. So now it's generating the image. It doesn't waste time, guys. It doesn't waste time. So but you have to be using it. See what it created. That's with the default prompt tool. If you don't know how to generate prompt, or you can explain to maybe ChatGPT or DeepSeek what you want, then ChatGPT will give you a good prompt. Then just copy it, come here, delete this one, just copy, delete all these ones here, then input that one and click on image. So it will generate your own image for you. Like I can say, okay, generate VDM image, VDM, Nigerian VDM image, VDM. So it will generate it for me. So anything you want, you can ask it to generate Ronaldo image, even Donald Trump image, any of these people, it will generate it for you, guys. So it's very, very simple to use, very simple. The thing I like it most is that it generates high quality images. Yes, very high quality images. I've used it to generate thumbnail, very, very high quality. So you can make use of it, guys. You can make use of it. So you can make use of anything that you want. You can see the kind of images that it generates. So if you put in a very good prompt, then it's going to generate a very good stuff for you, guys. See the quality of image. Can you see? So make sure you check it out. Use my referral code Ctmoney so that you'll be giving 2000 T Sogni token. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.